Welcome to the new video of SciSeeker. Cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria are a kind of bacteria. They obtain their energy through photosynthesis and release oxygen as a byproduct. Because of its color, cyanobacteria are also called blue-green algae. They are mostly found in water, and they often grow in colonies large enough to see. Scientists believe that cyanobacteria were the first to carry out oxygenic photosynthesis on Earth. Oxygen has not always been as abundant as it is today. Most scientists believe that for half of Earth's 4.6 billion year history, the atmosphere contained almost no oxygen. Cyanobacteria or blue-green algae became the first microbes to produce oxygen by photosynthesis, about 2.7 billion years ago. As oxygen is an important factor in existence of all life forms, scientists believe that cyanobacteria may have played an important role in the occurrence of other species on Earth. To see more cool videos, subscribe to our channel. See you next time with a new topic on SciSeeker.